Hi all, this is TechMind for you, and this tutorial is for the Java beginners who want to set up JDK in their system and the Eclipse IDE for the Java development in their system. So this is here we will cover the which version of JDK we need to download, which version of Eclipse we need to download for the system. So we will need to check the system properties first. We need to check the what type of system we have. Like I have 32-bit system and Windows 7. So for this uh, we need to download JDK, which is compatible with this my system. So I have already searched the JDK 1.8, that is the latest version. You can see in the search 32-bit is my system type, and Windows 7 is the operating system that I have. So I just search for that and I clicked on the first link. So it's open this link, and here you can see the two exe windows for Windows. The first one, below one, is for the 64 bits, and the other one is for the 32 bits. So we need to download this for 32 bits. So before downloading, we need to accept the license that I already have accepted it. Just click on that. It will download the JDK. I have already downloaded the JDK. You can see it here. Here I downloaded the JDK. You need to install this JDK. Just go where you have downloaded this. Just go there. Just double click on that. It's a simple step, and it will open a wizard. You need to click next, and it will ask you for the path where you want to install the JDK. So I have installed JDK in my C drive, program files, Java. So here you can see the JDK 1.8, the version I have installed. So for after installing the JDK, we need to set a few environment variable so that the other applications like Eclipse IDE and they can understand where the JDK is residing in your machine. Okay, so for that we need to set a few environment variable, and for environment variable, go to the advanced settings, environment variable, and here are the few environment variables that I have already set up. So the first one is the JDK C program for path of the JDK where you have installed that. So it's a C program file Java and JDK folder. You need to give the full path for the Java homes. So here you can see the Java homes, Java underscore home environment variable name, and the path of JDK folder is the value. So you need to set up this. Second is the JDK home, JDK underscore home, and it's similar to the Java home. So I use the same variable name before and after a percentage marks. So it will take the same path. And the third one is the JRE homes. For this, you need to select this JRE folder inside the JDK folder. So okay, so here I have just given the Java home variable, so it will take the environment variable name value there and /JRE, and the next is the bin for path variable and the lib for class path variable. So two more variable we need to set up. First one is the bin, so I have given the Java homes and /bin, and the last one is the class path, and class path I have given push Java home lib. So these are the 5 environment variables that you need to set up for your JDK so that the other application can see where your JDK has been is residing. So to verify that your JDK has been installed successfully or environment variable is set up correctly, you just need to go to the command prompt and run Java -version. It will give you the Java version. Okay, so this is for just verification that everything is fine on the system. So just go Java space -version. It will give you that version name. Okay, so now we will go to the we need a Eclipse IDE where we will do the Java development. So we need to download the Eclipse IDE. For Eclipse IDE, I already searched that 32-bit my computer type Windows OS Eclipse for this. open the first link. You will go here, click on the Windows 32-bit because we have a 32-bit machine, so it will download. I have already downloaded that Eclipse. Just this is a zip file, you need to extract that. So I have extracted in software folder, this is one. So Eclipse, I have extracted it to Eclipse folder, and you will get this. You just need to double click on this icon, and it will prompt you the Eclipse. So I have already started the Eclipse. I just need to close this for you guys, and I need to double click on that. So when you double click on that, it will ask you for the workspace location where you want to store your code. So you can give the existing, or you can create a new one here. Just click on OK, and the first time it will take some time, like maximum 30-40 seconds for you, and after that it will come up fine. So just open that, it will open. So yeah, you are all set for the Java development, because you have set up your JDK and is downloaded the JDKs, install the JDK, set up the few environment variables for the JDK like Java home, JRE home, JDK homes, class path, and you have downloaded the Eclipse and you have installed the Eclipse. So you are all set for the Eclipse. That's it from the tech mind for you for this.